how to change resolution in Sony A7 IV. So right here you can see I have got a Sony A7 IV camera, and maybe I want to change the resolution while I shoot, right? So let me just show this little display currently. And what you want to do for that is, first of all, you want to go to your menu. So right here you can see this menu. Just go to menu. And from menu, you'll find various different options. Use this bar to navigate to this, right? Let me just straighten it out a little bit. What you have to do is you have to go to this first option that says shooting. And from shooting, you want to go to this option called media quality or image quality. From image quality, you can see file format. Mine is currently set to 4K, so I can just select that, and from there I can choose between other 4K or 1080p if I want to. So this way I can change the resolution on Sony A7 IV. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.